Okay, quick video today. Taillight on our Subaru XV is busted. I have to change it. I figured we'd make a little video to show how it's done so that the people who don't know how to do it will learn and they don't have to take their car to a shop because it's going to charge them a lot of money and it's super easy to do. You only need one tool, which is a 10mm socket. Our 10mm socket is either missing or broken. I have several. So we're going to do some murder using the nearest makes no difference English socket. So here's how you do it. Open the hatch. And once you've opened the hatch, you can see here, there are two screws. Screws that can be bolts. You could use a big ass screwdriver to take that off, but I don't like those, so we'll use our tool here. All you have to do is take off these two, take that off, and this one off, and it's gonna come out. And there you go. Now you'll notice that this is dirty. That's kind of normal for these things because it's a part of the car that's always covered and stuff. So we're gonna clean this up also before we put this all back together. But we'll do the taillight first. So zoom in, tripod. So let's see. There. You just have to see which side lines up with the taillight outside. All you have to do is turn that and it comes out. And I don't know if that shows up on camera. Should show up. Yeah. I don't know if that shows up on camera, but you can see that it's dark, meaning the filament burnt out. So all you do is give that a good tug, throw it away, reach into your pocket for a brand new Koito Japan taillight that costs 75 pesos at the local auto supply. There's no, you can't put it in wrong because the tip, it's like a giant peanut bulb. The tip only goes in one way. So click it in, line that up here, and turn it the opposite direction. And that's done. Now all you have to do is let this dangle here a bit. Yeah, that can dangle for a sec. Now all you have to do is, before we put it back together, get your rag, get your moist rag, and give that a good clean. Actually, what I'm going to do, although we're going to cut the video before we get there, is I'm going to go ahead and open up the left side of the car and give that a good cleaning also, so that we're done. Because if my logic is, if this taillight has gone out, the other side taillight isn't going to be too far away. So give that a good clean. You see, yeah, you can see it. So give that a good clean, then dry it up. So that's actually the cost, 75 pesos for a new bulb. branded bulb. Unlike, where's the one that we replaced? The one we took out, no brand, probably China. You know how they cheap out these cars when they make them. So I'm going to replace the right side one also, the left side one also, with Hoito Japan taillight bulb, just so that we don't have to worry about it anymore. Now, to put it back, just be aware that you have these two holes that have a peg that guides into, and on this part, oh, wait, camera can't see. On this part, there's a notch that goes into like a button here. So all you have to do is line that up, and you'll hear it click. Here, click. And then you put the bolts back. Don't over tighten, these are very small bolts, so I just snug them down. And that's pretty much it. Then you turn on the light to see if it works. And there you go. Taillight works. And that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching. Bye.